Ganda ng sunset, no? Orange sky. See guys, look at this guy. It's orange. It's orange. We're orange. So do you know what that means if the sky is orange in the afternoon? It means rain. Rain is coming. Maybe tomorrow.
Hello. Hindi man malakas. Basta wag lang malakas.
So it's practically summer.
Kasi kawawa na naman ng mga plants ko. Okay lang kung
Plants
didiligan
mo.
lang yung mga plants.
Tingnan natin ang mga plants mo. Tada!
Half lang yan.
Ito yung mga plants mo.
Mga half lang yan.
Gumanda na. No? Maganda na ang mga plants mo.
Ito yung mga hindi naapektuhan ng aphids.
Kaya nga parang...
Ito yung isa sa favorite ko ito. Ngayon, ha? Ngayon.
Oo nga.
Kasi parang kakaiba siya.
It's like this is the first time I've seen this.
Ito isa sa pinaka-ano ko ngayon. Yan.
Pinaka-prize.
Hindi ko alam
prize.
kung
Mayana
malilit lang talaga ang dahon niya. Pero maliit talaga eh. Hindi lumalaki.
At ito pa para kasing this is also new.
Akala mo magkapareho no? Ito yung nasisikatan. Ito yung hindi masyado nasisikatan.
And see guys, see the difference? If it's exposed to the sun, this happens. See, it's bright. It's very bright. But if it's not exposed too much to the sun, it's just green.
Parang ito lang din. Ito. Hindi mo alam kung ba't hati ang kulay niya. Ito siya.
But this should be exposed.
Oo, baligtad, di ba? Ito naman yung exposed na exposed. Ito naman. Ganun siya eh.
It mutates.
Ito din. Hindi ko maintindihan yan.
Mutates. They mutate.
Dati, puro to ganito. Ngayon, nagganyan na siya. Hindi ko alam.
I have a theory. Mayanas are the strangest plants. Maybe they're not from Earth.
Ang bilis niya nga magbago ng kulay.
Yeah, maybe they came from spores from outer space. Maybe they came from a comet.
Yan.
Alien plants.
Pero sa crotons ko na yun.
Croton.
Yan yung bago kong
Passion. This is new. This is a new plant.
Ito. Bago yung apat na yan. Yung iba ko nasa taas.
Oh, look how big that Coleus plant is now. It's grown so big.
Ito yung kay yung certified strong. Pero red kanya eh. Red yung kanya.
So red.
Dahil dun sa sky niya.
Nga, kasi the sky this afternoon is orange. So nice. See?
Orange.
Look at that sky. Look at that cloud. We are being invaded by Martians. Okay, what else can we show our viewers? This is nice. This is grown quite nice. And also this one. So this is the first time I've seen our Coleus plants under orange light.
Maganda sila. Alam mo, parang nag-iba yung color nila na hindi mo maintindihan. Masang maganda siya.
Ang daming nagsasabi wala sila nito.
Yan?
So I told them where to get it. Tanay.
Pero parang wala. Kasi isang pot lang yung nabili ko. Ay, binigay sa akin. Ay, binili ko pala.
Hindi, nakita ko kay
binili ko
Flora's Flower Shop. Ang dami niya.
Meron siya?
Kasabit.
Hindi ko napansin.
Kasi
kay Dizon ko nga ito nabili din.
Yung giant photos. Look at your giant photos plant. It's invading the neighbor's house.
Oo, patatanggal ko yun. Baka wayin ako.
And again, we're being invaded by Martians. Mars attacks. Ooh. Cool.
Dilig-dilig mo na.
Dilig-dilig ka muna. Okay. Look what happened to my dish plant. So the plant is still alive, but the dish is not. I'll have to revisit this. So that's our update for that dish plant. So this is a Coleus plant. This is also Mayana, variegated Mayana, one of the rare ones. It's almost exactly similar to oregano, although the fringes of the leaves are white. This is Cadena de Amor. Old rose color and red. Very nice under this orange light. This is our insulin plant. I think these are a pair. Okay, moving over here beside the wall are our Coleus cuttings. They're doing well. They're doing quite well. See how well they've grown. Look at these huge leaves. It's so bright under this orange light. You see? Orange. Orange brings out the colors of our Mayana. Okay. So where are you going to put this? What's this called? This Japanese lantern thing?
Mahulog ng egg.
Egg. Oh, eggs are good for plants because they make flowers strong.
Didikdikin ko pa yun.
Calcium. Calcium will make the branches and flowers of your plants stronger. Okay, something's in my head. What's this? It's an insect. It's in my head. Hello.
Okay.
That's your new
Kanina
Syngonium.
wala na siya, less na. Mas orange kanina.
May picture ka na pala yan.
Mas orange kanina.
That's the Yana's picture of
I only took
Mars attacks.
Ang sarap ng picture kanina.
We're being invaded by Martian. Okay, so the light is fading. It's your new Syngonium. Okay, let's say bye-bye for now.
For now. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.